Live at the East Fortune Air Show, I'm Ryan Knott for Hits News. Of course, behind me right now, the Concorde, Lady of the Skies, Britain's and the world's only supersonic passenger transport here at the Museum of Flight at East Fortune. We're going to take you on board in a few minutes' time, so we sit back and relax, and let's have a look at this Lady of the Skies. It's Concorde. Arrived up from Hits TV, and of course we're entering the Lady of the Skies, one of the only supersonic passenger jets, and the only supersonic passenger jet ever Lady of the Skies passenger transport. This is of course Concorde. Hey, I'm arrived up at Hits TV. We're aboard of course Concorde here at the Museum of Flight at East Fortune. As we're an hour and a half left for the past 3 years, and a 3.5 hour flight across the North Atlantic from London to New York, or Paris to New York. So as you can see here, the various seats etc. of the Concorde aircraft, obviously here